welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make clear slime. So let's get started. Okay, that was really weird. Oh, and if you're wondering what that is right over there, that's just my light for filming, so yeah. So let's get started. So the things we will be needing for this video is a bowl, something to mix in, something to mix with. I have this cute little pink spatula, and obviously the star of the show, the clear glue. I'm using Elmer's clear glue. You can use whatever you want. And I also have, for my activator, like a little borax solution. So I use borax mostly every time. You can use whatever you want. I just like borax because it's clear, and yeah. And I don't really have like, some people do like 1 tablespoon to like 1 water, a teaspoon to water, a cup of water, something like that. I just kind of eyeball it, so yeah. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to be taking my clear glue, and I'm just going to dump it in the bowl like so. Oh boy. Oh, okay. Yep, there we go. So, just going to dump it in. I'm just going to make the whole thing because, you know, why not? Hold on, I'm going to go like this. There, that's better. Okay. Whoa. Okay, so there's that mess done. And now I'm actually, you can add food coloring at this point. I'm not adding like any food coloring just because I wanted to make like a bunch of clear glue so I can like just use it like over time, if that makes sense. It's just to make like different types of slime. So yeah, trying to get the rest out, but I don't think that's gonna work, so whatever. So yeah, you could add like paint. Maybe paint might not be the best idea because it might like make it not so clear, but I don't know, actually I should test that one day. But yeah, I like to use food coloring, but I'm not gonna, just so yeah. Now you're gonna take your activator. Oh boy. Oh, okay. And just add it in a little bit at a time, just like that. And now take your mixing thingy and just mix. I mean, you can use like whatever you want to mix. Like sometimes I use like the ends of Sharpies to mix, but you know, yeah, I'm using a spatula today because, you know, I wanted to look like a normal human, even though I'm not. I'm weird. Okay. So now I'm just adding, I just added like a little bit more just because, you know, well, obviously it's not slime yet. But yeah, this is taking a quick little while. It also depends on if you make like a stronger, if you put like more borax in the water. Like it depends how much borax you put in the water, because if you put like a lot in, then you only need like a little bit, but it also kind of turns really hard. So for clear slime, I prefer like a less activated borax, so then it doesn't get, so then yeah, it just takes like longer to mix it, but it makes it less like hard. That's what I found at least, so yeah. Just adding a lot because this is taking a while. Whoa. Okay, now here is a quick speeded up process. What is it called? Well, I'm just gonna speed it up here right now. Okay guys, so it's like still like a little sticky, but it's getting in there, kind of, not really. I don't know, it's kind of weird. I wonder if this is gonna be a fail. Cause yeah, clear slime and me, clear slime does not like me, trust me. I'm not the best at making it, but oh, there we go. Oh, so when it starts like sticking to the bowl like a little bit more, that's when you know it's almost done. Like that, if you can see. It's kind of like sticking to the bowl. It's kind of hard to see the slime. I know, I'm really sorry about that. Just because the bowl is white and the slime is white. Sorry. Okay, so it's really sticky. I'm just gonna add like a little bit more just because it's really sticky. Oh wow, yeah, it's time to bring this bad boy out and make a mess on my table. Let's go, my dudes. Oh. Ooh, yes. I'm just gonna roll my sleeve. Ooh. It's really nice. It's just really sticky right now. Sorry if my camera's wobbling. I'm kind of wobbling my table, so that's wobbling the camera because my camera is like hooked up to like the table, if that makes any sense. It's on like a tripod type thing. So yeah. Okay, now let's fast forward again. That's the word. Finally, let's fast forward until this thing is somewhat done. Let's go. Okay guys, here is the finished producto, and this actually turned out pretty well. It's kind of like ripping a little, just because it's not, there's like, I added the activator like really quick on at a time, like all at a once. Does that make any sense? I kind of did. And this does not look clear, I know, but if you leave it in a airtight or just container or Ziploc bag or whatever for like, usually takes mine like 2 or 3 or 4 days. If you just leave it in there and you don't touch it, then it will clear up. And then it also becomes like a little bit more sticky, I find, so that's why mine's kind of overactivated. It's kind of sticky right now just because I have slime on my hands. But yeah, here is the finished product. Product. There. Okay. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it. Only if you liked it. If you didn't like it, I mean, you could give it a thumbs down, I guess, but just, that's not very nice. So just give it no thumbs up. Just give it nothing if you didn't like it. And if you like my videos, go check out my channel. It's down there. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll see my little icon. Why is this out of focus? There we go. Yeah, you'll see that. And then, yeah, just check out my main channel. I have like a bunch of videos. I upload weekly, or at least I try to. Yes, I know. One time I sometimes have technical difficulties of uploading, but I try to upload weekly. And yeah, just thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you for clicking on this. And if you made it all the way through, thank you. I appreciate you like so much. And yeah, just have a great day. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.